Later, others will be joining. Your good friend Umaira and all will be joining. Okay. This is percentage, okay? Percentage means, if you look down here, Naomi, percentage means what? It means a fraction. This is like a fraction, see? One fraction, one number over another number. In percentage, the bottom number must always be 100. So down here now, we must find a way. You can use a calculator, okay? Find a number. 25 times what equals to 100? What do you think? 25 times what equals 100? You use your calculator lah. You have a calculator na? You got a calculator? No calculator. Okay, you got a handphone na? Handphone. Okay, handphone now. There's a calculator down here. Okay, I'll show you. You use your calculator. Come. You use there's one button which is like that, right? You use your handphone. Come. You have a handphone. Are you using your handphone now for the Zoom? Alamak, then you got no other handphone. Adik handphone. Adik say cannot. Mommy's handphone? Cannot so. Can?
Phone charging.
Phone charging. Okay. Now, okay, so we run through down here. Okay, maybe we try the bottom one. Bottom one down here. Can you see the number 50 that down here? 50 times what equals to 100? 50 times 5. Can you see 5? I want to times to make it 10. Times what? Times 2 lah. Okay. If you use a calculator, you can take 100 divided by 50, get 2. Then you must do the same down here. 38 must times 2. Can you try 38 times 2? You tell me what's the answer? You must have a piece of paper and a pen or pencil or whatever. You must have when we do the tuition, you must have paper, your exercise book and your pen or pencil lah. Okay. You try. Now you try. You try to times lah. 38 times 2. You try. You try to times. Can 38 times 2?
76.
76. So on top here will be 76. But what does it mean? 76 over 100. We can also write it like this, you know. This is the same as 76%. Can you see? This means the same, This means over 100. So you must, and you know what's a fraction, right? You know fraction, right? Okay, let me see. Let me test you now. I have this like 4 squares here. I shade 1 square. Can you write now? What's the? You tell me now. What is the fraction shaded? You can write on the screen. Good. 1 out of 4. So 1 out of 4 actually we got to find. Now let's see, we want to change 1 out of 4 to percentage. There's 2 ways of doing it. One, you can just times 100. When you times 100, you can get 25%. If you have a calculator lah, you can get 25%. Or another way is to change. Ask yourself, how do I make the 4 into 100? Then you will learn that you need to times by 25. How you get 25? If you have a calculator, 100 divided by 4, you get 25. Then you times by 25. 1 times 25 is how much? 1 times 25. 1 times 25 is 25, Right. So this is 25%. Same thing. Same thing. How are you okay? You okay, Okay, now I will be your calculator, okay? You tell me what you want to calculate. I will be your calculator. Okay, so you imagine I'm your robot lah. But don't ask me say, robot, jump out the window. Cannot ask me to do that. Ask me jump out the window, I will break my bone. Man. Okay, here we go now. Here we go. This one now. Now here, watch. Now, this one I give you an easy one. Can you see the bottom one? Ah, E. Times what? Times what? You do the same thing to this side. What number do you times to make it 100? 10 times what? Tell me just 10 times 5 is 50.
10 times 10.
10 times 10. So now the top number you times 10 also. So what's your answer? You tell me. On top times 10, what's your answer?
90.
90. Can you write this as percent? How to write a percent? Can you write it here with the sign? Can? Oh, inai, ah? Is that inai? Are you getting married? Okay, come. Try. Write 90%. Can you write 90% here? You know how to write 90%? Show me. I need to see. How do you write 90%? Never mind, big or small, never mind. Oh, all Chinese letters. Yes. Okay. The line must be like that. The line must be like that. Then put the two small zeros. Where you put the two small zero? Can put? Difficult to write. One down there, one down there. Okay, good. Well done. So this is 90%. Okay. Now you tell me now what to do. 20 times what? If you don't know, you tell me how to find a number. I want to make 20 into 100. Times what? Don't ask mommy. Don't ask others. Okay. You tell me now. I'm your calculator. What you want me to do? You want me to you want to find what number? There's a way to find this number. Oh, sorry. I show you 5 actually. But you know how to get 5 now? 100 divided by 20. You can ask me, what is 100 divided by 20? 5. So you times 5. So you times 5 here. Can you tell me now what's the number on top here? Can you calculate? Okay, you calculate on you have paper or whatever, you calculate because paper is faster, right?
85.
How much?
85.
85. 95. See, 9 times 5, 45. 1 times 5, 5. Plus 4, 9. 95. Okay, you don't believe, later you can use your calculator. So this one we write 95%. Are we okay now? We're okay. Okay, later there'll be students coming in at 6 o'clock. In fact, one more student will come in shortly. You know him. He's in the P5 class on Sunday. So I'm also getting him to come to try to understand the concept. But later at 6 o'clock, there'll be 3 other students coming in. So we'll be revising this again, okay? Now, Naomi, if you don't understand, you must tell me, okay? Like Nerish, she did send me a message saying she doesn't understand, okay? So I must try to do something about it. Let's see. But the priority is you lah. You are the priority now. You're in primary 5. Okay. So now, this one now, do you know how to change this into, let's say, a fraction? First of all, we need to identify where is the ones. Okay, which one is the ones? I'm writing a number 123.45. Which digit is in the ones place? Which digit is in ones place? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Which one?
3.
3. Good. Right. Beside it is the 10. 10 with a TH. This one down here is 10 with no TH. So can you see this is the ones, right? Beside is 10. So what do you think is the fraction what over what? Can you tell me? What should be on top? What number should be on top? 3, 2,
0.
0. Okay. Below? 7. 7 eh? Okay. Okay, now I show you, okay? Watch. Now, if you take your calculator, 0 divided by 7, you get 0. So now watch this. What number is on top is this number. So it's 7. What number is below is the position. Down here, what is the position? 10th, right? Once is here, 10. So you put 10 down here. You tell me now, what number should I put on top now? What number do I put on top? Here. See, here is 7. Here is What number do you see? This number? What number is this?
9.
9. Good. Now, what is this last position now? You have ones. What is this? The last position.
1.
Ones is here beside. You see, ones is beside the dot. To the
10.
left. 10 is beside it is. Beside the 10 is
100.
100. So we can also see, there's 1, 2, 1, 2 zeros also. Okay, you tell me now this one now. What over what? This one.
3.
3, 3. Not only 1, 3, 3, 3. What's the last position? The last digit position?
100.
100. Good. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now down here, if you have a dot and a 1 in front, you must put a big 1 here, a 1 hole. What number do you put on top?
9.
9. What's the number? What number do we put below? What position is this?
10.
Good. What number do we write here?
1.
1. What number do we write on top?
37.
Good. What is the position of the last one? The last one.
100.
Good. How is it simple or not? Okay, you try this one then how? This one. What number do we write?
1.
1. What's on top?
1.
What's below?
100.
Good. Well done. Okay, later we're going to revise it again. Okay, so you should be able to do. Okay, all right. Yeah, I want you to know that actually maths is quite easy. Sometimes when we get stuck in the beginning steps, we end up confused. Okay, so don't give up. Okay, don't give up. Okay, you must tell your adik also lah, Nari also not to give up. Now this one now, they want us to change it to decimal. Now there's two ways of doing it. Okay, I show you one way is by long division. You know long division, right? So you have like that. What do we put inside? It's always the top number. But the top number is small. Yeah, never mind. Put inside here. The bottom number is always outside. This is one way. This is one way. So now can 3 divide by 4? Can or not? 3 is smaller than 4. Cannot. Then you put a 0. Then you can put a dot here. Down here you can put a dot. Once you put a dot, you can add as many zeros as you want. See why? Let's say now your mother says, I'm going to give you $1 and I'm going to have many, many zeros behind. This is not 1,000. No. This one is still $1. Why? Down here all doesn't mean anything. It's 0 also. So you can add as many zeros as you want. Some people do not want to add that many zeros. So okay, never mind. Let's say we add 1 0 first. So what number 30? Imagine there's no dot here. Imagine there's no dot here, okay? What number lesser than 30 can divide by 4? You can write the thing. So your 4 timetable. Do you know which number? Which number? What number lesser than 30 can divide by 4? Which one? You choose. The number lesser than 30. Closest to 30, which one? But lesser. Closest to 30. 28. So we write 28 here. But what? 28 divided by 4 is what? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we minus 28 minus 30 minus 28, still get 2. Then how? We can add another 0. We can bring down the 0 here. Now 20 divided by 4, what do you get? Can divide by 4 not 20? Is there a 20 down here? There's a 20 here. Maybe I didn't write it nicely lah. Maybe I must write it better. I write it nicely for Naomi, okay? Let us see now. This is 20. 20 divided by 4 is how much? You Count. What's the answer? 20 divided by 4 is? How many?
5.
5. So this one, can you change to the fraction? What should be what number should be on top? 75. 75. Oh, 75. What number should be below? Yeah, look at it carefully. Ones, tens, 100. You see there's 2, right? 2 zeros. How? Okay. Nah. From here, you change it to the percentage. What is the percentage here? This is 75%. Why 75%? Because this is already 100. So 75%. Okay, Assalamualaikum, Mr. Shakil. Shakil, can you hear Shakil? Shakil,
Yes.
Okay. You came late, Shakil. Later 6 o'clock, the others will be joining. So I'm going through the very basic one.
Okay.
You must come early, okay? Alamak, this what sound is that? Okay, come. Let us run through now. Okay, now we go through the next one. Okay. Can you try? Okay, this one, the whole thing now, the whole thing is 100 squares. How many percent is this? You try. Later we will revise this again because some of the students may not know. Okay. You can count now. You can, okay. You can count now here. But remember down the whole thing is 100. You can send me your answer, how many percent it is. Shakil, are you there now, Shakil?
Yes.
Come on, send me. Show me your face. I can't see your face.
Wait.
I need to know what you're doing, see?
No, this is me.
Yeah, I know this. I can only see
This is me.
I know. I can only see the top
Can you
of
see
your
my
head.
head?
I can see only your hair. Je. Okay. So Naomi has
It's
given
this
the first answer.
laptop.
Okay, so let's see whether you're right, Naomi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So down here is 31%. Okay, you just need to write 31%. If there's 100 square, okay, if it's 100 squares, you can just count the shaded one and write it here. Okay, never mind. We'll move on again because later we're going to come back to this. So I want you to be clear first before we go through later. Okay, what about this? Can you all, both of you, try A and C? A and C. Three out of 100 means 3 over 100. So how many percent is this? Can you send me your answers? Naomi can or Naomi? How many percent you think this is, Naomi? 3%. Good. Okay, we ask Shakil now. Shakil, C. What's the answer for C? I don't know whether.
37 out of 100 means
Okay.
it's 37%.
Well done. Well done. Okay. So you all know these are very easy. Okay. All right. We move on. We move on. We move on. You must make sure that you are very, very clear. Okay. Because if you're not clear in the beginning, everything is going to be confusing. Okay. So sometimes it happens in class. Okay. Can you try A, B, C, D? Just send me the answers. Send me the answers. Okay. You don't need to put the percentage sign. I imagine the percentage sign is there already. A, B, C, D. Can you send the answer straight?
Teacher, can I see just now?
Okay, I'll tell you what. Naomi, what's the answer for A? How many percent? Akil, B. Akil, B. Just say it, Akil. You see when I say it? Akil. How many percent?
9%. Oh, I told you. I
Okay.
told you. Sorry.
Okay. C. Akil. C.
24%.
Okay. Naomi, F. 100%. Okay, good. Now you try now. 2A. 2A. Anyone can get the answer. 2A. 2A.
Where's 2A?
There down here.
5%. 5 out of 100.
500, but that's not simplest form. Okay, who can come out the answer fastest?
Oh, yeah. Wait.
So Akil says it's 500. This is correct, Naomi, but
Wait.
this is not the simplest form. So Naomi or Akil, who can give the answer first?
20.
30. 20.
20.
How many over 20?
1.
1. So how? Divide by 5. So that's why, Naomi, you need your calculator, okay? Divide by 5, you get 20. 5 divided by 5, you get 1. Can you see? 5 divided by 5, get 1. So this is called reducing, right? 1 out of 20. Okay? Never mind. Okay, now you don't have, it's okay. All right. Down here now. Can we try this one now? Okay? What's the answer? I want simplest form, Simplest form. First, you write what over what, and Naomi as your steps, and Shakil. Then you reduce, then you give me the final answer. I'm looking for the final answer. Okay,
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5. Let's see whether he's correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so Naomi, what over what first?
Correct.
20 over 100, right?
100.
Yeah. So now
Cancel.
cancel 1 0. Cancel 1 0. 2 out of 10. Then how you get 1 out of 5? Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is?
What is it wrong?
5. I didn't say wrong.
You said,
I say,
why you put 1?
Yeah, that's why you must be confident. You must be confident. If someone asks you, are you a boy? Say, no, I'm not a boy. Say, why?
Oh.
No, don't be like that. You must be confident. Someone gertak je, like people want to fight. But in this case, it's not. They're just testing you on the concept. Okay, later another 3 students are going to come in. All right. But every week we will start half an hour earlier. I make the lesson longer. So if I start the lesson, make it longer for everyone, then maybe you all can come even earlier before that. Okay, because I want to teach you all so that you're very, very clear. Now this one. Now we're going to ask Shakil. Okay, now you check whether he's correct or not. Shakil, can you change this to a fraction first? This one, C.
Yeah.
C.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
What is it?
3 out of 100.
Good. Can you change it to percent?
Yeah.
What is the percentage?
3%.
Well done. Okay. We're going to test Naomi. Naomi. Okay. Are you ready, Naomi? Naomi, this one now. The next one. D. What over what as a fraction, Naomi? D. Shakil, you check later.
30 over 100.
30 over 100. How many percent is this? How many percent? Don't tell. How many?
38.
38%. You look very stressed, huh? You mean don't be stressed, eh? Don't be stressed, okay? This is just part and parcel. So this is easy, huh? So when you see your teacher writing 38%, 50%, how many percent, 100% on your test paper, you know it's a fraction. The higher this is, the higher your score lah, right? Okay, we are gonna do the next one. So Sunday's class might be a little bit fast. Okay, so this class is going to be slower. I'm going to go down slow.
So what time we end, Acha?
Aduh, this guy asyik-asyik.
No. I just want to know.
Pukul 7. 7. Okay, never mind.
Jangan Isyak sudah.
Okay, so we try this one. This one, number 1. Can you tell me, anyone can tell me the answer now? What's the percentage she got? Mainly. How many? 83%. Hey, Shakil, come on. How come you miss out on this one? Okay, Shakil, give me the answer to question number 2, Shakil. Shakil, come on. Number 2 lah. Naomi, check his answer. Because the rest...
30% of people who play games
do not play games.
Oh, okay. 369. Where aja?
Okay, jap. Naomi, have you seen the movie Predator? Scary movie. Predator, have you seen? I feel Shakil is Predator, right? He suddenly appear, disappear. Okay, Naomi, can you get the answer? Okay, don't shout. Okay, you check the answer. You check the answer lah. He wants to. Okay, now the others are coming in. So we are waiting for. Okay, I'm gonna let them in exactly at 6 o'clock lah. Okay. Naomi, you can answer. Naomi, you can snatch the answer. Naomi, if you think you know the answer, just go for it. Do you know the answer? Shakil, you know the answer?
Is it 3 whole 7 out of 3?
3 whole 7. Can you write the number on the screen? 3 whole 7 out of 3. 3 whole 7 out of 3. Gini
Yeah.
Something is wrong lah. What is this? Okay, let us see.
Or 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. Okay, not sure. No problem. Now let us see. We got to be very clear. 100% means everyone. Everyone means 100%, you know. Then you get 100 upon 100%, right? You get 100% for your marks, for your test. 100% means you get everything correct. So 100% here means all the students. Now they are not asking for all the students. They are just asking you for the students who what? Look down here. Who do not play. Don't play, you know. So how many percent is that? Well, 100% is all the students. You minus 30% lah. So how many percent is that? 100 minus 30%. Come on, girl and boy. 100 minus 30, you will get the answer. What is the answer? Anyone? Naomi, Shakil, 30% play computer games. How many don't play computer games? How many don't? Okay, the rest are coming in. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. I got to get the rest in. So the answer is 70 lah. 100 minus 30 is 70. Okay. They are all coming in already. So we are gonna start all over again. Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, we're gonna start with a topic called percentage. Can I just contact one more person? Okay, one more person. Let me just call this girl. Shafia, yes. Shafia is the... Okay. Sorry?
Shafia
Sleeping again? Alamak. Okay, never mind. If you're sleeping, never mind. We'll start with this. This is now a new topic lah. In P5, you will learn this. This is actually related to fractions, related to decimals. So we're going to do part by part, okay? You can use a calculator. Now, first thing we're going to do is we got to see what is a percentage. Yeah, I'm going to show you on the board. Okay, what a percentage is. Okay, and then I want you to be very, very clear what a percentage is. A percentage is actually a fraction. You know, fraction. See what fraction? Okay. When you look at a percentage, this is a sign for percent. You ever seen this sign in your test paper, correct? This means, what does it mean? It means one number over another number. If your teacher write, I say now, 10 out of 25, this is not yet a percentage. This is still fraction. Percentage must have, the bottom must have 100. So if let's say now they put at it 10 over 100, this means 10%. Okay? If let's say 25 over 100 is 25%. If let's say they say 110 over 100, this is 110%. Is it okay? All okay, yeah? We are going to go through very fast, okay? In a moment, not yet, not for this one, but you need to send your answers, because there are quite a number of you. You need to send your answers. I do not want you to shout and scream answer, cannot. Okay, just a moment, just a moment. We go to that one first now. Okay, question 3A, B, C, D. Can you please send your answers now? You don't need to send the percentage sign. I assume you are giving me the percent. No need to send me the percentage sign. Can you please just send your answers, please? Yo. Wow, this one must be Umaira. Very fast, huh, Umaira? Is it Umaira? Umaira, well done. Umaira, where you get 130? No 130 there. No. Okay, is that well done for A? Yes, it's wrong. You see, 3 out of 100. Remember what is 3 out of 100, Myra? 3 out of 100 is 3 over 100. How many percent is this? The rest can check. This is 3%. Remember? Yes. Can you try the rest? You must be over 100. You can do it. Princess Umaira can do it. By the way, there's some princess here. Okay lah, whoever's a princess. Izzat is also a prince, Izzat. You don't like to be prince. Well done, Izzat. Congratulations. What about Abang? Abang. Okay, well done. Well done, Miss Eunice Paprika. Very good. Well done. And Shalina, have you sent on? Only si Akil. Come on. Umaira, C and D, please. Izzat, okay, you have done everything. Shalina, the other two. Shalina, first two correct already. Shalina, over. Last two. And Umaira, you have reached the finish line. Congratulations. Shalina, one more. Okay, Akil. Akil, where is he? This is like a predator lah. You know, predator. Sometimes you see him, sometimes you don't see him.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the answer for D, Akil. D. Just tell us what's the answer for D.
D. 99%.
Okay, well done. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next one. As you do, I got to call this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, please. Very quickly, please. Send while I get the mother of Safia. I think Safia's tidur lah. Don't say the answer, Don't say the answer, please. Wow, so many people have sent answers. Wow.
I'm done with the whole thing.
You've done the whole thing. Let's see. Is that where you get? Is that? How come there 224? No. 224 is not correct. Let me see. Umara, you done the whole thing. Wow. Congratulations. Umaira, D is not correct. You gotta check. This is 5 out of 10. It's not over 100. You gotta change it over 100. Change it over 100. Change it 100. You can do it. Okay, be careful. D is a trick. Izzat, A is correct. Umaira, the F is correct also. Izzat, B is correct. Naomi, A is correct. Norizat, 224 is something wrong. Naomi, B is correct. Norizat, C is correct. Naomi, C is correct. Izzat say I typed wrongly. D, congratulations, Izzat and Umaira. Well done. Okay, you got it. Izzat, E correct. Shalina, A correct. Izzat, you're asking for money. You put whatever money. Oh, reward. Shiliana, B correct. Izzat, F correct. Now what about Naomi? Have you sent D? What's the answer for D, Naomi? 10 times what equals to 100? What about Shakil? Shakil. Aduh, where is he? Disappear.
I'm here.
Send your answer lah.
It's because he put virtual background. If he never put virtual background, you can see.
Can see Yalah, I think.
Siapa yang cakap?
Siapa yang cakap? Aduh, adik you cakap. Okay, now here we go. You see watch this Okay, Shelina. Well done. Okay, Naomi, what about question D is not correct? Shelina, what about your answer for number D? Have you done number D? Change the denominator to 100. How do we change it to 100? Okay, well done, Akil. Times by what? 10 times what equals 100? You all know what? 10 times 10 lah. Do the same for the top. So you get 50 over 100. How many percent is this? You get it or not? Naomi, you get it? Shalina, you understand, Shalina? If the bottom is not, yes, correct. If the bottom is not 100, you got to change it to 100. Then you can change the percent. Remember, this percent means, can you see the number 100? 1, 0, 0. This all at the bottom. This is actually 60%, 100%, 24%, 3%, 9%. This one, you must change to over 100, 50%. Okay, I think more or less you are great. 3%, yes, well done. So far, whatever you've done, Shakil, is correct. Now we're going to go to slightly more difficult ones. Let us see, Yeah. Shafia, don't know where she went. I think she tidur. You got her number, you can, no, don't call her. Let her be.
Of course, she's sleeping beauty.
Sleeping beauty, Okay, this one you have already done right just now, correct? Have you done? No, not yet. Not yet, okay. So now this one you can use a calculator. You want to make sure you change it to 100. Then what number you times, you must times the top. So 25, I will give you an example, okay? I give you 25 times what? Times 4 equals to 100. You do the same, times 4 also. So can you give your answers for A, B, C, D, E, F? Okay. Who anyone don't understand? All understand? Izzat, you understand? Shalina, you understand? All understand? Umaira, you understand, right, Umaira? We want to times to make it all to 100. Okay, let's see. Someone has sent. Sorry, I'm trying. Okay, Izzat, congratulations. A correct. B, I think you are wrong, Izzat. Naomi, well done. A correct. Your B is wrong, Norizat. Yeah, please take your calculator. Please, you take a calculator. I want you to take a calculator, please. But don't ask me to buy you a calculator. Say, hey, can you send me a calculator, please? I can be your calculator. For those of you who don't have a calculator, I can calculate for you. All right? Shakil, come on, Shakil. Send your answers, Shakil. Where is Shafia lah? I need her to... Okay, Izzat, now well done. B is correct, Izzat. Umaira, well done. Don't put question mark, Umaira. Believe in yourself. You can do it. 28 is correct. You can do it, Umaira. I know you can. Okay? There's a few students, sometimes they send me answer, they put question mark. Don't put question mark. You must believe in yourself. Okay? The next one. Umaira, use a calculator, Umaira.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, why am I asking you to use calculator? Because this is faster lah. The next one, let me see. Norizat, well done. Well done for C. Akil, I don't see your answers, Akil. I'm starting to miss you, Akil. Please lah, send lah. Aku rindu kamu. Yes.
3 out of 4, 25, right?
Yeah, your times 25. Well done. Well done, Norizat. Congratulations.
She's like Shafia.
She's like Safia. Why you say that? Well done. Huh?
Shafia always say ch.
Yeah, what to do? Okay.
75 out of 100.
Yeah, but don't tell answer lah. You can tell answer. The rest are finding. Well done. Okay, Izzat, well done for E. Izzat, you are reaching the end. F very soon. Shalina, well done for B. Naomi, what about you, Naomi? You got an answer for the first one, right? The next one now. Okay, you times by, okay, you times by 25, Naomi. The answer is not 25. You times, so you must take 3 times 25. Then you get answer. Is that congratulations? You've reached there. Well done. Well done. Huh? Okay, well done. So we wait for the rest. Huh? Let me see who else who have reached. So most of them are at question C, you know. What do you mean? Why you write your name? Well done, Shalina, for question C. Now, why are we practicing this? Because in order to do percentage, well done, Mr. Akil, you need to be able to change to the denominator of 100. You know lah, how come you don't know which one? Okay, which one? C, yeah? Times 2 lah, 50 times 2 get 100. Then 38 times 2 also. If you don't know, you take 100 divide by 50, you get 2. You see now, how to know what number to times? See, I don't know lah, this one. So take 100 divided by 50, you get 2. Also 50 times 2. So 50 times 2. You know what I mean? Same thing down here. You say, what number to times? There's no, see, Akil asked me 25. Yes, 25. But how to get 25? 100 divided by 4, you get 25. So now you mean if the answer is not 25, you must times 3 by 25. You must times 3 by 25. Then you can get answer, which is 75 here. Answer down here is 75. Okay, Shalina D, well done. Umara, you know how to do, Umara? Okay, send me the answers. Naomi. Okay, you need a calculator, Naomi. Well done, Miss Umara. Shalina, well done for E. Well done for E. Umaira, well done for C. Well done for C, Miss Naomi. Now we try for D. Meanwhile, Izzat is going to feel bored. So I have to make it smaller, Izzat, here. So you can see Izzat. Izzat can try A and B, 2A and B, yeah? The rest only do question 1A to F. Akil, I don't hear from you. Okay, well done, Miss Shalina. Congratulations. Shalina, you can also do question 2A to B. Umaira, well done for D. Congratulations, Umaira. You can do this, Umaira. Well done. This one now. Oh, salah, Mr. Izzat. You divide by what? 200 divided by what gets 100? You divide that by 6, must be divided by that. Umaira, well done for E. Well done for E. Shalina, this time you need to divide. Okay? 200, how do you make 100? You divide by what number? You can do it, Shalina. You can do it. Well done, Izzat. Well done, Izzat, for A.
Sir, so 25 times 4 is 100, right?
25 times 4 is 100, yes.
7 times 4.
7 times 4, 28.
So 28 out of 100.
Which one? Which one? A, B, C, D.
For A.
A? 28 over 100. Well done. I thought you'd have finished B dah. Okay, now, we move on. Now, Akil, tell me what's the answer for C. Not 12, not 12, not 12. Remember, you divided, you know. Shalina, you divided. Well done, Umaira. Umaira, can you try question 2 now? Okay, you progress. Question 2, 200, how to make it 100, Umaira? You got to divide. Divide by what? Divide by 2.
76, right, sir?
Well done. 76, well done. 76 over 100. Naomi, come on, Naomi. Naomi, you need a calculator for this one. Huh? Naomi, you try E. E and F. E, Naomi, I give you the clue. E, you times by 10. F, you times by 5. Okay. So, Myra, you must divide by 2. Shalina, you don't times by 2. 200 to make it 100, you divide by 2. So your 6, you must divide by 2. So what's your answer then? Is that well done for question number B? Okay, we move on. Okay, well done. Well done, Umaira. Well done. Okay, now you can move on. Move on to the bottom one. Well done, Miss Naomi. Congratulations. Naomi, you can also move on to the next one. Move on to question number 2. Umaira, well done for 2B. Syakil, move on. Syakil, move on to question 2A. Can you try Syakil 2A? Izzat, well done for C. Okay, now how? See, 300 divided by what? You get 100. Divide by 3 lah. You divide by 3, you get 100. So do the same thing. The top divide by 3, Umaira. Well done, Naomi. Izzat, the next one, congratulations. Izzat, congratulations. Huh? Akil. Yes, well done, Shalina. Akil.
Yes.
2A. 200, how to
2A.
make it into 100?
2A.
Divide by what? Umaira, well done for C. Move to D. 200 divided by
2A.
what? Yeah, 200 divided by what equals to 100?
It's 100 lah. So 600. So
Yes,
100 divided by times 6.
Yeah. So,
Kan lah.
slowly. Okay, now down here. How 200 divided by what give you 100?
2.
So do the same thing to on top.
Divided. So 6 times 2 ah.
No, you must divide. Because you divide, you must divide so. You must be fair lah. Must be
Okay.
fair. You kena adil lah. You kena adil.
And 6 divided by 2
What's the
is
answer?
3.
Yes, okay, that's the answer.
3.
Yes, 3, well done. Okay, well done, Naomi, for B. Umaira, congratulations for D. Shalina, congratulations for C. Akil, what's the answer for B? Come on, Akil, you can tell the answer. Which one is this? Naomi, is it C or D? Hey, you're doing which question? Naomi, you finished it, right? 82 is which one? I do not know which one.
19 je.
19, well done. You divide by 2. Shalina, well done for D. Okay, let's see. Unless yes. So let me see. Down here now, don't divide by 2. Naomi, you must divide by 4. Divide by 4, this one divide by 4. So then you can get the answer. Not 82. Okay, I will move up higher. Now. Okay. So Naomi can still try. Okay, the last two. Come on, the last two. Shalina, Umaira. You can do this, Umaira. Well done, Shalina, for E. Terbalik, Naomi, 81. 41. How can you get 18 now? Okay. Naomi, which one you are doing, Naomi? Are you doing D? This one now you divide by 4. So you divide this by 4, you get 41. What about this one now? Divide by what? Get 100. Umaira, which one you do your last or the last one, is it? Well done. Let me see. Well done, Umaira. Wow, very good, Umaira. And yeah, Umaira, well done for E and F. Well done. Shalina, well done for E and F also. What about the rest? What about Izzat? Izzat, can you do? Izzat, where are you, Izzat? Izzat, must do E and F lah. Say, I was sleeping under the tree. Don't be like hare and tortoise. Well done, Miss Naomi. You divide by 8. Well done. You divide by 8. Well done. You get 7. E and F. Akil. Yes. Izzat, well done. E. That means Izzat was sleeping under the tree lah. See, I know the story of hare and tortoise. Akil. Which number are you at, Akil? You must tell me. Okay, just tell me an answer. Tell me answer for C. What's the answer for C? Well done, Izzat. The last one, now you mean 900 divided by 9. You divide by 9. Syakil, I need you to show that you know, otherwise we cannot proceed. Okay, question C. What's your answer?
F or C?
Divide by 3.
Or C?
Yeah.
3 ah.
Divide by 3.
Three. So it's 99.
Hey! You said
No.
divide by 3. You must be fair lah. This you divide by 3, you don't times by 3. Ini tak adil lah. You tak adil. You must also divide by 3.
What? 33 divided by 3. So it's 11 ah.
11, good. Okay, down here now. 800 divided by what get 100? Divide by 8 lah. So 56 divided by 8, what do you get? Naomi, well done, Naomi. Divide by 8, what do you get? What times 8 goes to 56, Mr. Akil? In 5, in 4, 7 over 100. So all this, what does it mean? This is 7%, right? Okay, this is 11%, right? You all know, this one, right? And the last one, Akil, divide by 9. Get
9, yeah.
so
279 divided by 9.
you get 31, okay. So I assume all of you all are okay. Okay, inshallah, all of you are okay, So we're going to move on now. Okay, notice we are going to move on. Okay. All right. Okay, now you are supposed to make this into a fraction. Make this into a fraction. Okay, we got some answers. Let us see. Well done, Naomi. I like the way you type that way. Very nice. Very artistic, this girl. Yes, GD, well done, GD. Izzat, well done, Izzat. I'm waiting for Princess. Hey, Princess, where are you, Princess? Don't call me that. I'm not Princess. Hey, Princess, come on. You can do this. Terbalik lah, terbalik. Si Izzat, terbalik. And also, it's a wrong number. There is no 1000 here, no 1000. Well done, GD. Hey, GD, your first one is correct. Your second one, you put 7. Where you get 7 again? This is 9 lah, GD. 9 lah, GD.
Change the 7 to 9.
Okay. Oh, see?
Wujud.
Okay, so now, for those who are stuck, I'm going to explain, okay? Now, Umaira, see, this number, Umaira, will be at the top. After the dot, will be at the top. What number do we put at the bottom? Okay, so now I want you to be able to identify down here. You see, down here is ones. Down here is tens. So this is 10, you put 10 down here. Now you see, how else is 1 space after the dot? So 1, 0. Can you see down here? Now, how many space is this? 1, 2. So what number should be below, Miss Umaira? 1, 2. How many zeros should we have? What do you think the number is down here? Umaira, you try. You tell me what number should be on top. Okay, good, 100. What number is on top? Good. You know how to do? Can, Can. Well done. Now, if you have a number that is before the dot, this one becomes one whole. If this one is 1, 1. If this one is 4, if let's say 4.9, then this one becomes 4 also. Okay, be careful. Okay, you are able to do it, even mixed number. Okay, let us see now. I'm going to check the answers. Let us see. Izzat, okay. Naomi, good. Izzat, okay. The number is what, Miss Umaira? The number below. 33 on top, correct? Below just 1, 2, remember. 1, 2. Is that down here? How many digits? What place is this? Is that? What place is this? Okay, this is ones. Okay, means you all do not know which one is ones. Okay, I stop first. I stop first. I need you all to be able to know what is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. You must know the position. Now, let's say I give you 1, 2, 3, 4. I put a dot down here. Where is the ones? Ones is always to the left of the dot, to the left of the dot, to the left of. This is ones. It's not honest, it's ones. You don't say it's honest. Okay. Down here now, this is 10. This is also 10, but with a TH. What does it mean? What does it mean? I show you. 0.3. This is 10, you know. Can you see now? This one means what? 3 is on top, below is 10. That's why it's called 10. Can you see? This one, if I put down here now, what's the difference between 3/10 and 3/10? You must be able to understand this. This means 3/10. This means 3 times 10, which is 30. Different, huh? To the left, you have your tens, hundreds, thousand. When you have a TH, means it's a fraction. And then the number 10, you just write 10. Okay, so now, if you get a number like this, 0.12, what to do? Okay, you put 12 on top. What number should be below? This is, remember, ones, tens, with TH, hundredth. Take the last one, 100. If you want to check, see, 1, 2, 1, 0, 2 zeros. That's the second way to check. Okay, we try again. You must be able to do this. If you can't do this, fraction is going to be very difficult. And you need to know fraction because you are going to deal with buying of houses, GST, many things in your life. You need to have fraction. Even your score for your exam. A teacher tell you, okay, you must score 60%. You say, what is 60%? You must know it's a fraction. What fraction is it? So we'll come to that in a moment. Okay, we continue. Those who have not completed, please complete it. Let us see. I'm going to check the answers now. Well done, Naomi, for E. Well done, Shalina, for D. Okay, Umaira, you corrected that. Well done. Shalina, well done for C. Well done for D, Naomi. Is that well? Not this one. Is that you tell me what's the answer for this D now? You know the answer for D now? Okay, you give the correct answer for D. Is that yes, correct? Answer for D is that. Answer for E, Shalina, well done. Now, who am I not hearing from? Akil, this guy. Akil. I need personal attention. Akil. Akil. Shakil. What Shakil? Come, you tell me now. Okay, well done, Izzat. Well done, Naomi. You're no problem. Now, Shakil is going to give out all the answers. Shakil, now tell us what's the answer for this one, Shakil. In 5.
7 out of 10.
Okay, next one.
9 out of 100.
Well done. Okay, next one.
33. 33 out of 100. Right?
Yes, correct. How do you know it's over 100? How do you know? Tell me. Because you can say there's 2 digits here. So 2 zeros lah. 2 zeros. That's one way. Or you can say 1 stands 100. So it must be 100 here. 33. The next one now. What is it?
I don't really understand it.
This one, okay. What about Umaira? Umaira, don't hide behind that cartoon lah. Umaira, come back. Umaira, come back. You do okay now. Down here, Umaira. Down here you have 1. Before the dot is 1 hole. 1 hole, Then this one 9. You know what? This 9 on top. And this is 1 spacing, right? Put 1 0 lah. 10. Shakil, you know how to do that, this one. So now Umaira is going to do E. Shakil is going to do F. Umaira, what's the answer for this one? Umaira, tell us. Before the dot is 1 hole. So before the dot, how many hole do you have? Okay, Umaira, right now. Okay, Shakil can write on the screen also. Well done. Nice chocolate. You make me feel like eating chocolate ice cream. Shakil, you write also on the screen. Continue, Umaira. You have not finished writing. Umaira going to write down.
So you saw anak je?
I didn't see lah.
I dah buat dah, tak apa.
She did already, Okay, Umaira, well done. So you get it, This is
F. He can still do E.
you can still do E. Okay, I did E for him lah. Why do you want to do E? E, so yucky. Don't say that lah. Okay, come. We move on to the next one. Okay, here we go. So you get it, right? Now, why do you need to know all this? You will be, they are cousins, you know. What are cousins? I'm not talking about Umaira and Shalina. I'm talking about decimals, fractions, and percentage. Okay lah, sorry. I don't talk
So
about
confusing, you know.
Okay, we don't talk about each other then. Don't talk about each other. Don't scary, man. Okay, now down here, same thing, You need to express. No, don't. This one. Can we try? Have we done A, B, C, D? Yes, we have. Have we done this one? We have, right? Now Number 2, A, B, C, D, E, F. Change it to fraction first, then bring to lowest terms. Change to fraction first. If you do not know how to do this one, remember, what is percentage? Percentage is a fraction with denominator of 100. Now you bring it to lowest terms. Can divide by what? Divide by what? You can use your calculator. Okay? Then you give the fraction. Myra, come back, Myra. You must. Everyone is turning on the video, no? You are the only one. I am special. Okay lah, you are special. Everyone is special also. You think everyone is not special? They are also special. But I'm the most special. Okay.
The most special is probably Shalina.
Why you say Shani? There's no said.
I also don't know why.
See, she said don't talk about her. Shalina, talking about you.
No, I asked you why you say me and Shalina like cousins.
Because you keep mentioning Shalina, so I thought you are cousins. Shalina, are you related to her? Yes. No. Okay, she says no, she's not related, but she wants to be related to you. That's good lah.
Huh?
Okay, come. Let's go. Is that your answer for question number? Shalina, your first one is not correct. You must also divide this one. You must divide by 5. Divide by 5. You didn't divide the bottom one by 5, Shalina. Let us see. Is that where you get this question? Is that which one you doing? Is that? Okay. Naomi also. Okay, now we got to bring it to lowest terms. So this one can divide by 5. This one can divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Can see now. Naomi cannot, Naomi. Mimi. Naomi, come, focus. Don't listen to Neris. Now down here. You see down here, you divide by 5, you divide by 5. Then use your calculator. 5 divided by 5 get 1. 100 divided by 5 get 20. This one same thing lah. Same thing, what thing? 20 over 100. Now you must bring it to lowest terms. So far, no one has given answer. Okay. Shalina, you get it now. Sun divide by 5, divide by 5. 1, not 1 over 4. 1 over 20. Actually, Akil knows the answer for B, but he is not sending. Naomi, you must be able to do this also. You can cancel. For which one is that? B, yeah? No, it's not. It's not that, Shalina. Yeah. No, it's not Shalina, sorry. No result, well done for B. Shalina, try again. You can cancel the 0. There's no 50 there, Shalina. Umaira, don't be playing with that thing. Come, we do it together, Umaira, down here. Come, how to reduce it to lowest terms, Umaira. Come on, Umaira. Izzat, C, you can reduce some more. GD, C, you can still reduce some more. Can still divide by 2. Or you can divide by 4. Can divide by 2 again. Miss Naomi, that's for B, right? You can divide by 10 some more. Cancel the 0 on top. Cancel the 0 below. Then what's your answer? Can you tell me your answers? Let me check whether your answer is correct. But both of these can still, no result. You can still divide by 2. Umaira, I'm not seeing from you, Umaira. Don't be scared, Umaira. Come on. You can divide 0 down here. So now you get 2 over 10. But can still divide some more, Umaira. Can divide by 2, What's your answer? Yes, no result. Well done for C. What about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? Miss Shalina, can you see this one now? I cancel 1, 0, Becomes 2 out of 10. Umaira, so what's the answer? Umaira, divide by 2. Come on, you can do it. Don't doubt yourself. Come on, Umaira. Divide by 2. What do you get? 2 divided by 2 is what? You write the answer lah. What over what? This is like bringing to lowest terms lah. Simplest form. You can do this. What about the rest? Everyone seems to be stuck. Okay, we seem stuck. Okay, here we go. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5.
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5. You all can do, huh? You all understand, right? Okay, Umaira, you tell me what's the fraction on your Umaira. What over what?
Sure.
Yeah.
Is C 4 out of 50?
Well, you can still divide by another 2. Divide each by another 2. You divide 4 by 2, divide 50 by 2. Now,
Yeah.
Umaira.
Huh?
No, you Karen. I'm waiting for Umaira. Umaira, what number on top, Umaira? Come on. Don't be shy. You suddenly this girl become shy lah. 8, good. Don't put question mark. Believe in yourself. What number below? How she cannot talk suddenly? Not 10. Remember, percentage is always 100 below. Always in a percentage. Can you see the number 100 here or not, Umaira? 100. Yes. Now you got the reduce, Umaira. Can divide by 2. Can divide by 2. Shalina, your division is not correct. You see, you follow this
2
one,
out
Shalina.
of 25 aja.
2 out of 25. Congratulations. Yes, 4. So you get 4. Shalina, you follow this one. 100 divided by 2, what do you get? Naomi can do not, Naomi? 150. Congratulations, Izzat for D. No, 100 divided by 2. That one divided by 10. Use your calculator lah. Well done, Shalina. No. That's not answer, Shalina. Sorry. That's not answer. 8 divided by 2, you get 4. 100 divided by 2, get what?
50.
50. Good. But you see, can divide by 2 lagi. Lagi can divide by 2. Umaira, don't look down, Umaira. I do not know what you're looking at. Umaira, look here, please. That's why your videos all need to be on. Now here, 4 divided by 2, Umaira, 4 divided by 2. Izzat, well done for question number E. Umaira, 4 divided by 2, come on, Umaira. 2. Then 50 divided by 2, come on. Offer. Say what offer? I don't want to buy the offer. Come. Hey, you have a calculator, 25. 2 out of 25. Shalina, are you okay? You understand now, Shalina? Yes, sir. Umaira, you have a calculator not, Umaira? Then use your calculator. You know how to use a calculator? No, because once I went to Pizza Hut in Malaysia, the people that are adults, they do not know how to use a calculator. They keep calculating and they get it wrong. And it's dealing with percentage also. Anyway, the last one, very simple. Naomi, what do you think the last one is, Naomi? What number should be on top, Naomi? In 5, 4.
53.
And what number should be below?
100.
Yeah, and this one you cannot reduce. Okay, well done. Okay, we are okay, eh? Sometimes you cannot reduce. Why? Because you cannot just divide any number. Okay, so not bad. You all are doing not bad. Now I'm only worried of one girl, but then Shafia. She's not here. We are progressing and then she get confused. Anyway. Down here you see, let us see what they do. Remember just now we did from what? From decimals. Then the 6, you see, it goes up. And then down here, what number should be below? Yes, 1 spacing, 2 spacing. So that means 2 zeros. Or if you don't know that way, you identify the position. What position is this? Well, let us see. This is ones. Okay, this is 10th with a TH. And this is 100. The next one is 100. So if you can identify it, you take the last digit, what it is, 100, you put 100 here. So this becomes 6%. Why 6%? 6 over 100. Percentage is over 100. Okay, so I'm going to reveal the other parts, so you try to do. Okay, are you confused? Anyone confused not? No, okay, we try. We will see whether you're confused in a moment. Okay, all right, please try question B, C, D. A done already, B, C, D. Yeah means what? Confused. Yeah means what? Yeah. Mara, yeah is what? Yeah. Confused. Yeah means cool. Cool. Is that congratulations for B? Congratulations for C? Congratulations for D. Okay. We are waiting for the rest. Is that you can move on to question number E and F. Shalina, congratulations for B. Is that so? Sorry, you must change it to fraction first. What's your fraction? Are you sure this is 6/100? No, this is not 6/100. Yeah, correct, Izzat. Aduh, where's Abang Akil? Well done for F, for Izzat. Abang Akil, where are you, Abang Akil? C is correct. Yeah, I am here. Yeah, show me your answers. Send me your answers. I do not want. I want to say it out. Cannot. Let the others have their answer lah. Naomi, that is 6/how many? Is it 6/100? Are you sure? Or 6/10? This is 6/10, you know. Then you must change 10 to 100, remember? Be careful, be careful. Yeah, so it's 6/10. So 6/10 how? This one you got to change it to 100 lah. Remember, percentage is with the denominator of 100, you know. This one 6/10. Then you must change it to 100. How to change to 100? You times by what? You times 10, Naomi. Times 10. Do the same thing here. Times 10. Then you get the thing here. Syakil, what's the answer for question C, Syakil?
3/100.
So how many percent is that?
3%.
What about D?
Hmm?
What about D? How many percent?
38/100.
So how many percent is that?
100.
How many percent?
38%.
38%. Well done. Shalina,
38%.
yes, well done. Shalina, congratulations for D. Come on, Miss Umaira, come on, Umaira, come. What's the answer for C, Umaira? This is 3/3 how many? Come on, Myra. Myra, 3%. Yes, 3/100. Well done. Well done. So how many percent is this? 3% lah. Don't use question mark. Believe in yourself, Myra. You are one of the most confident girls I know. No? Shalina, is it true? She's very confident, right, this girl? Very sure of herself. Okay. So this one now, Umaira, you tell me now how to do this one. How many percent is this, Umaira? What over what? What over what? Well done, Naomi. Well done, Naomi, for D. How many percent is that, Naomi? Umaira, what over what? Umaira, just tell me now, Umaira. Don't type lah. Yes. Don't put question mark. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. What is below? What is below? Yes. So how many percent is this? How many percent is it equal to? She's gonna type to me. Yes. Don't put question mark. Don't put question mark lah. Believe in yourself lah. Okay. Now down here. Correct. Well done, Umaira. Well done. All right. What about the rest? Okay. What about Naomi? Your 38/100 is 30%, huh? Yes, Naomi. Yes, yeah. So how many percent? Apa itu? Aduh, Abang Akil, what are you listening to? We are listening to this one. You are doing this work. You are listening to rapping lah, this guy.
That is why he mute.
No wonder this guy cannot hear what I'm doing. Syakil.
You muted me.
I muted you because everyone can hear your rap. Aduh. Come on lah, focus lah.
Kenapa you hear that?
Okay, the rest, do you all hear it from him? Yes, right?
I never hear that.
Okay lah. Tak apa. Okay. Now, this one, next one is 60/100. So what is
I
this?
never hear me.
Okay, you did not hear anything. 60%. The last one. Who knows what is the last one? 1 over what? 1, 1 can be 1/1, 2/2. It can be even girl over girl or circle over circle. Not 0, star over star. So what do you want for percentage the bottom to be? Shalina, what number you want percentage for the bottom to be? What is it? What number for percentage? You need to have this number for percentage. The denominator, yes. So let us change percentage to 1 whole to 100 over 100. If it's 100 over 100, how many percent is this? 100%. Are we okay now? Can you see? 1 whole can be 5 over 5, can be 10 over 10, can be banana over banana, can be girl over girl, can be 100 over 100. So we choose 100 over 100 because we can change it to 100%. Okay, we have 13 minutes more. 13 minutes more. Here we go.
Why is he moving his head up and down and look like he's singing?
Yeah, I think he's singing.
And then he said he cannot hear anything for excuse.
So yeah, I do not know lah. I leave it to him.
He's doing this and then he started singing, then he moved away. He's so stunned.
So stunned.
He's the imposter. He's sus.
I see. Okay, now here we go. Down here now, how do we change this? 74 over 100. Over 100 means you put a dot here. If it's over 100, you must have 2 space. So you write the 4 here, the 7 here, and put a 0 in front. Can you try for the rest? Can you try? Yeah. You see, there's 2 space. Sorry. You change it to fraction first. Over 100. Then change it to. You try to fill up. You can do this. Oh, who is this? So fast. Is that this one for what? 0.1 is which one? The last one, no. The last one is not 0.1. Shalina, B is correct. Naomi, B is correct. Shalina, C is correct. Izzat, D is correct. Izzat, do you give your answer for the rest? Oh yeah, Izzat. Okay, well done, Izzat. But your C is wrong. Izzat, your C is wrong. Okay. Shalina, your C is wrong. This is 2 over what? Is it 2 over 10 or 2 over 100? Naomi, C is also wrong. So let us see. So we ask Kakak Umaira. Kakak Umaira, tell us now. This one, 2% is what over what? What over what? Don't type lah. You can speak. What? I do not want to speak. Come on lah. Okay. All right. You don't want to speak. Okay. You can do. Don't IDK. No, IDK. This number is supposed to be on the top. Remember? On the top, this one below. IDK. Look. Come on. This one below. What number is this? What number is below? Come on. It has 1 and 2 zeros. Yes, 100. What number should be on top? Good lah. So now how to change to decimal? Watch out, Mara. Okay. Down here there's 2 zeros, right? If there's 2 zeros, you put 2 blanks. Put a dot down here. Then you put the 2 down here. Shalina, Izzat, Naomi. Can you see now? You put the 2 down here. Yes. Now, is it 0 down here? Yes. When does it is not 0? If you have 1 down here, this one become 1. Okay. If let's say now you have 2 down here, this one become 2. If you have 3 down there, then 3 lah. But now they don't have anything there, they're kosong. So you put kosong lah. Are we okay? Try question D now. Try question D. Come on. Try question D. Yes. Well done, Umaira. Well done. You see, you can do immediately just like that. You can do it lah, girl. Don't call me girl, okay? Okay, Umaira, okay. Come on, the rest. Shalina, what's D? Yes, well done, Shalina. Naomi, what's D? Says D, durian. No, I want question D down here, not durian. I just bought durian today. Come on.
I have durian in my fridge.
In your fridge? Wow. Do you feed durian to your animals now? The birds and all? Try and let them eat durian, see what happens. Now down here, Naomi, it's 1 over what? What number? 100. Why over 100? This is percentage, right? Can you see the number 100, Naomi? 100. Say I don't see it. Okay, that is 1 and 00 what? We put it down here. And then this one put above. So what is this? Well done, Naomi. Well now 0.01. Okay, now we're gonna test Shakil. I do not know whether he's listening to us, but let us see whether he knows as he's shaking his head up and down. Shakil, 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 Kill.
Yes,
Kill.
yes.
What's your answer for questions B?
B. Yeah.
Apa ni B with
0.42.
Well done. What's the answer for C?
C. 0.02.
Well done. What's the action for D?
0.01.
Well done. Congratulations. Okay. Well done, well done, well done. Okay. So he's not so high after all.
Why? You think I don't pay attention? Is it?
Yeah, because we all saw you doing like that. We all saw you. In fact, you were doing. Sir, I do not know what you're doing.
I'm doing this lah.
No, you are doing, you're listening, you're talking, singing.
Then why you have virtual background?
I never sing.
Then what you're doing, opening and closing your mouth?
Chill. Can I have your WhatsApp? I show you a picture.
No, come. We move on. Now we are going to problem sums. We have now 8 more minutes. Can you find out what's the percentage score down here? You can do this. You can do this. Umaira, come back, Umaira. Stop hiding behind that cartoon.
I'm sending it to you.
You're sending to me. Why you must turn it off? Once you turn it off, you know what's... Izzat, well done. Congratulations, Izzat. Okay, well done. Shalina, well done. Hey, the rest, come on. Mimi. So who's Naomi? Come, Naomi, turn on your video. Umaira, turn on your video. Don't turn off your video. Once you turn off video, I do not know what you're doing. In fact, even if your video on, some of you also do not know what you're doing. You can see the boy with GD. See his eyes very big. See his. I do not know what he's doing. That is with the video on. With the video off, is lagi teruk, right? So let us try now. Question 1 and 2. Come on. Naomi, you can do this, Naomi. 83 out of 100. Change it to percent. Umaira. Come on, Umaira. Umaira dah tired already lah. Come on now, Umaira. On the weekend, how long do you play with the animals? More than 1 hour. Oh, yes. 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. Wow. Yeah. Let us see. Well done, Mr. Izzat. Congratulations. 0 is not the answer. Oh, I played 0 hours. Okay. I only played for 180 minutes. Okay, but never mind. Come, let's try. Shalina for question A, with my pets. Okay, with your pets. Okay, come now. Now we go for Mindy. Well done, Naomi. Well done. Okay, what about Umaira? What is the percentage score? 83 out of 100. How many percent is this? Come on. You can do this. The force is with you. Come on, Umaira, stop crying. Don't pretend to cry. We know that you're not going to cry. Come, you do question 1. Come on. That's why the video got to be honest. I can see what's happening. Okay. Shalina can do question B, not 2, no? Shalina. Can. They do want to know how many of them do not play computer games. So now I'm going to explain something to you. Okay, this one we do first lah. Okay, down here scoring 83 out of 100. Miss Umaira is 83 over 100 like that. How many percent is this? 83 lah. Why 83 lah? Because this is a fraction the base of 100. So it's 83%. 83% means what? Means you got 83 points. Lost 17 points. That didn't get 70 points. Down here now. Okay, Shalina, you must understand, if let's say you get 99 points, 99%, this is not yet the full marks, no? The full marks is 100%. Always 100% is the full thing. So down here now, if 30 pupils play computer games, first of all, how many pupils are there? How many percent? It's 100%. 100% is total, all the pupils. If 30 play computer games, how many don't play computer games? Must minus lah. 100% minus 30%. What do you get? That's your balance. That's the people who don't play. How many percent is it? Take 100 minus 30, you get 70. So what is, they want you to give your answer in what? Fraction, you know. So you write 70 out of 100. But you cannot leave your answer like that because they tell you give your answer in simplest form. So you divide by 10, divide by 10, and you will get the answer as Mr. Izzat has gotten 7 out of 10. Okay? Are we all right? 7 out of 10 is the answer for this. Now, we are going to go for one last question. Most probably one last question, or one last or two, maybe. And go. Maybe this is not the last question. Remember, all the pupils is 100%. All the pupils means 100%. All right, we got the first answer in. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat. All the pupils means 100%. How many percent are boys? Well done, Shalina, but they want in percent. So change your fraction 2%. You know what to do? You know what to do, Shalina? Yes, well done. But it's the same thing, right? Your answer is the same thing over 100, yes. So now for the rest. Naomi, down here, how many percent is this? This is 27% lah. And 27%, yeah, boys. So how many girls are there? Well, you know that the boys and girls all together is 100%. 100% is normally everything. Then you minus 27%, you will get the girls. And what is the answer? 73%. 73%. We do one last one, okay? One last one, eh? Here we go. Okay, we cannot do one last one here. This is no. Okay, never mind. Okay, we try. Hold on, let me see. This is your last question. Remember, you must change your base to 100%. Come, Naomi, last question, Naomi. Offer. Myra, come back, Myra. Don't run away. Everyone misses you. No, they don't. Yes, they do. They do. Okay, if it's true, we'll see whether Shalina will smile. Shalina, if you miss Umaira, you smile, okay? She looks shocked, huh? Okay, she doesn't miss you. I told you she missed you. She's smiling, eh? Okay, come, question one. You know, my family think I'm selling something at home. Question one, is if I'm selling durian. Says, why is this family member keeps shouting, calling out name, this, that. They sometimes don't understand. Oh, no, result cannot be more than 100%, no result. Shalina, you must change to 100, over 100 first. You took it over 50. Naomi also over 50. Okay, so I should. Akil, what's your answer, Akil? Akil is going to tell me 7 o'clock. I know it's 7 o'clock, Akil. Hold on, 29 out of 50. They ask for extra cheese, but you must change this to what? 100 first. Times what? First? Times what? 50 times what equals 100? 50 times what?
Times 2.
2. So times this by 2. You get 58 over 100. Therefore, this is 58%. Be careful, okay? Okay, I'm very, very happy with the class today. I think you're making good progress. Inshallah, we see you next week, all right? Okay? Naimi, all okay? We see you next week again. All right? Maybe we might
I know
make
you're not
the,
happy with me, right, Chef?
because I do not know what you're doing. You're doing like that lah. So I think maybe ada penyakit lah, but it's okay. All right then, never mind. Okay, Syakil, we see you again. Okay? Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Take care.